Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Antitrust laws keep our economy healthy and fair. We will quickly break down how these specific government regulations work right now. First, we need to identify the primary goal of antitrust legislation. These laws are specifically designed to prevent unfair business practices and stop large companies from forming harmful restrictive monopolies. Next, we analyze how market competition impacts efficiency. By breaking up monopolies, the government ensures that multiple firms compete, which naturally lowers prices and increases the total quality for consumers. Finally, we select the option improving efficiency. Increasing competition reduces deadweight loss from monopoly power, making option C the perfect description of this legislative purpose. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Trust these steps to master complex economic concepts.